Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I am going to draw a cheat, so let's get started. First, draw a curve here. Slowly. Now just follow it with me. Draw two lumpy eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With 3 lines. Now just follow it with me. Curve here. Draw the wing. And the leg. Now we have a cheek.
I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.